Step out on the march, feel the wind blow soft. The ancestors' whispers keeping us aloft. But the waters are rising, the heavy rains fall, running off the concrete, threatening it all.
Yeah, the runoff is heavy, carrying the strain, but we got a way to ease up the pain. Digging down deep where the sweet grass grows, filtering the water where the river flows.
We're building rain gardens for the land we love, blessing the soil beneath and skies above,
protecting the water, keeping heritage pure.
Gullah,
Geechee Nation,
we're
gonna endure.
Yeah, we're healing the
Coastline, keeping it free.
This is our promise with
Gullah, Geechee Saving me.
native plants in the soil, like in roots in the earth, giving back to the island that gave us our birth. Planting wild indigo, iris and fern, catching the storm before the tides turn. Keep the water clean, keep the seafood alive, so the culture and people can continue to thrive. Every seed that we drop is a prayer for the coast, holding on to the things that we cherish the most. We're building rain gardens
For the land we love,
oh, blessing the soil beneath and
skies above,
oh,
protecting the water, keeping heritage pure.
Gullah,
Geechee Nation,
well,
we're gonna endure.
yeah, we're healing the coastline.
Keeping it free.
This is our promise with
Gullah, Geechee Saving me.
oh, let the rain fall down, let it filter through,
Filter through the soil,
from the sea to the marsh,
to the souls of our folks,
like the deep, deep roots of the ancient live oaks. We stand as one,
safeguarding the sea.
yeah, it's a beautiful vision for you and for me.
We have an entire, the first one to ever be established, Gullah Geechee Environmental and History Trail. We did this in collaboration with the Army Corps of Engineers, as y'all see, their Silver Jackets program, and the EPA. The Gullah Geechee Nation was able to do a number of different environmental ones so that people learn more as they are traversing the environment. Not just jogging through, not just walking your dog. Could you stop and learn something, please? All right. And so to have this here and that other section, a lot of times people just think it's just bushes. You see, not understanding that there's a value to the environment by having the rain gardens. You see, and so a lot of people now, because we have more of these big built structures, especially in areas where there's a lot of these non-permeable areas, right? Soon as we get a king tide, we get a sunny day flood, there's water everywhere. And we're looking like, what it used to be there till you put that there, you know? Ain't nobody told you close that ditch, or why you put all that pavement down, get the concrete out the way, and you might not have the water. People looked at us again, emotional natives. And now it's a thing to talk about rain gardens. So I was like, okay, I guess we need to educate people about the difference between gardening and a rain garden. So I asked someone who I know loves being out in the dirt, all right, Dr. Najmah Thomas, to come and address us again this year, who's part of our Gullah Geechee Sustainability Think Tank and the Gullah Geechee Coalition member. Thank you, Ken. So tell them about this year.
Well, first of all, isn't it gorgeous? Oh my gosh! And a couple of y'all were here last year. So rain garden, we're not planting rain, of course. We are working in partnership with Mama Water, you know, and when we have, like Queen said, these built structures, of course we're gonna have stormwater runoff, and in areas where the water sometimes naturally collects, there's an opportunity to strategically plant certain plants that will redirect, absorb, but in some instances clean the water, right? Clean the water, help with soil erosion, etc. So we are selecting very specific plant species that is going to collect a lot more water. It's going to store it, but it's also going to help with soil, right, to keep it in place. And so when you get all of the runoff coming off here, she's just going to suck it up. It's going to suck it up. One of the ways we can work in partnership is by using just the little things that we do, our little planting or gardening or farming, whatever level you're on, you can use that practice to help restore mama water, because there's been a lot of abuse in the waterway, a lot of unfortunate abuse, and it is it's putting into peril heritage, culture, and our ability to sustain ourselves, right? The food that comes out of mama water. So we've got some work to do in partnership with them. But plants can help. Plants can help in purification. So the term, what's the term? Who's our scientist in the room? You know the term. Phytoremediation. Is that what it is? Phytoremediation. This is a big old word. Phytoremediation. It's just a natural plant-based technique used to clean up contaminated water, soil, and air by using specific plants, like we was mentioning earlier, to absorb and break down and neutralize pollutants. Mama Water and Mother Nature have everything they need to keep themselves going. Their conversation, I think, is what are these humans going to do when they can't survive? We're going to be okay. Mama Water and Mama Nature going to do what they need to do. Exactly. The question is, so this partnership, the burden of proof is really on us in this partnership. Phytoremediation, we're breaking it down. It's an environmentally friendly method to harness the natural ability of plants to extract toxins, heavy metals, other harmful substances. So the root, we just talked about the root, right? So what I have in this bottle is one of the 3 plants that have been used in phytoremediation. This is seaside goldenrod.
Oh, really?
Solidago is its botanical name, which basically means to save life.
But it got windy and seaside.
Goldenrod.
Okay, then.
Take a look at the roots.
Wow.
Do you see that taproot?
Deep.
Then it's a
Gullah
baby.
Geechee for true.
This your baby. This is a lily.
And it'll.
And this is how you can, now if you, can you imagine millions of these? Because at EP Farms, we've got probably 1,000 of these little babies. The things that help the earth and the water help us. That's why it's a partnership.
Right.
So you plant these gonna help over time, y'all. Over time. It ain't tomorrow, it ain't next year, it ain't the year after that. It's drip, drip that fill the bucket. Drip, drip. Yeah. But you plant, all of us plant every year. We in partnership with Mama Water. In any event, yes, that's what we wanted to show you. That's one of them with an extremely long tap root. And that's a little baby. We'll put the baby back in
going
there.
Back.
Oh, back in there.
He said, don't you try to put my root back in there.
That root got to be
said,
wet.
It's in the earth.
I can put them back in the earth. And you can grow these in the water or in the soil. It just depends on if you have a rain garden or if you have a swale. So, after that, we have over here. Oh, the third plant, before I talk about this one, the third one is Mullenbergia capillaris. What is that?
Mullion.
No, but yes for mullein, because that's my mother herb. Don't leave home without it. That's what I just gave you. But no, that's mullygrass. And mullygrass is what? Sweetgrass. Sweetgrass. Sweetgrass is one of the 3 main plants that we would recommend in this low country area that you put in your areas to help with water purification. It has some of the same properties. And then, of course, our sweetgrass basket sowers need it for their products. Again, the Mama Water and Mother Earth, we in partnership. They've been trying to help us. We over here. And this is lavender. Same, right? Very drought tolerant, sips water, but helps to cleanse and purify water. And it is a perennial which means if you don't have nothing else green in your yard, you like something green. I love something green in my leaf garden, right? Lavender. And then if you plant all three, somebody had asked about companion planting. This is it. You want to put all of these together. Put your goldenrod, sweetgrass, and then you got your trifecta. Okay? And all of those things are working together over the years, y'all, over the years to help purify your water and the soil.
Gullah, Geechee Nation, we're gonna endure.
Yeah, we're healing the
coastline, keeping it free.
This is our promise with
Gullah, Geechee, and me.